Hello everyone, and welcome back to my gardening and growing channel. So one of the things you encounter, one of the pests you encounter when you're growing squash are squash bugs. I'm going to kind of show you what I do to try to keep their population down. They can spread really fast. First of all, let me show you on the bottom of the leaf what their eggs look like. So if you look here, those right there are squash bug eggs. And if you see how many are there, you just keep multiplying, and then pretty soon they'll overwhelm your plant. So what I like to do is take some packing tape right here and pull the eggs off. Let me see if I can show you how I do that. So what you want to do is take the tape and put it around your fingers like this. And then you'll take the leaf where the squash bug eggs are, and you'll just go ahead and start pulling them off. And see, they come right off. So you just keep doing that a few times until you get them all. See, they're all gone. So then what you do after that is, when your tape is all filled up with the eggs, go ahead and take it, and you can go ahead and throw it in the trash. So it's pretty easy to do, and it's pretty effective in controlling these squash bugs. It's really the best thing to do, I think. So one other thing you're going to want to do is make sure you inspect all of the leaves to make sure there's no other ones on there. So you have to go through systematically and just look at the leaves and find all the squash bug eggs. And just kind of make it a routine. Maybe every few days, go ahead and look at your squash and see if there's any squash bug eggs on there. That'll keep the population down and hopefully keep you from having any at all. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Have a great day.